The average American works 30 to 40 years to acquire what we refer to as their estate. Their estate may be a house, a car, stocks and bonds, personal property, IRAs, or whatever. There's no right or wrong way to plan your estate as long as you know the consequences so that you can make an informed decision.
Thank you.
For nearly 40 years, attorney Robert Novy has been helping people protect and preserve their legacy through meticulous estate planning. Today, the team of Novy Associates is some 20 strong, experts in all areas of elder law, including estate settlement and litigation, asset protection, and disability protection. Attorney Jason Wyatt earned a master's degree in taxation, giving him invaluable knowledge about the complex tax issues for large estates.
It's a great feeling when you successfully help a client with a legal matter. The dollars they spend for our advice and our help result in 10 or 20 or 30 or sometimes 100-fold return for them or their family in the long run.
In addition to estate litigation, attorney Douglas Hull specializes in Medicaid applications where mistakes in this highly regulated and confusing process can prove costly.
If you violate any of the regulations, there will then be a time penalty imposed on your Medicaid eligibility.
Novy Associates firm takes pride in providing impeccable service that's professional, prompt, and caring.
Many of our staff members have been with us for a number of years, and therefore they have personal relationships with our clients. They show an enormous amount of sensitivity and compassion for our clients.
I've been working here for 24 years. I am an estate planning paraprofessional. I do estate planning. I work on estate planning documents for clients, which consists of wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and living wills.
We take good care of our people. Mr. Novy is very good about educating people. He has a radio show.
People will say to me, well, I've written it down in my will. Shouldn't I give a copy of the will to my executor and to all the children who are going to survive me? And categorically, ladies and gentlemen, the answer to that is no.
He has a lot of public speaking engagements.
And after working all the years you've worked to acquire what you have, why would you want the state of New Jersey to get it or the courts to dictate where it's going to go?
We try to educate people so that they don't make mistakes.
The firm's services include arranging for caregivers, even bill paying, so seniors like Mary Johnson can stay in their homes as long as possible and live out their lives with dignity.
Kind of old. I like to be in my own home anymore. You know, you don't have to worry about all these other things. You're spoiled because they take care of all your problems for you. And it's a nice feeling. Very, very comforting.
My experience at Novy Associates is everything I expected it to be. It was professional, it was very well organized, it was very well planned out, and extremely thorough.
When you walk in here, you don't know what to expect. And when we asked him all the questions, I felt comfortable and at ease.
I would unreservedly recommend Bob Novy and his firm of attorneys, paralegals, and professionals to anyone who asks.
Most of us don't want to think about life ever ending, but that always leads to trouble down the road.
Death is an inevitability. Planning for it is just a smart thing to do. So thinking that it'll work itself out is it's kind of like sticking your head in the sand.
The cost of the preparation of the will is much less than the cost of the bond that would have to be posted with the court in the event that you needed to have your estate administered without a will.
You should view it as an opportunity to preserve and protect what you have, and as a way of passing down your legacy to the next group of people that you feel deserve it. Sadly enough, somewhere between 60 to 70% of our population in this country die without wills, which is a crime, a shame, and it doesn't have to happen.
To learn learn more about Ocean and Monmouth County's premier elder law firm, visit novylaw.com or call Novy Associates at 732-657-0600. The firm is located at 2915 Ridgeway Road or Route 571 in Manchester near Route 70. Novy Associates, protecting and preserving your legacy.